If any of you were like me, you'll agree that the daily grind of commuting in traffic, combined with the incessant racket of urban noises, on top of being stuck inside at work every day, can all be kind of depressing. I would often find myself dreaming of being anywhere else, just wishing I was on vacation. I recently came across a local social media post with the hashtag, "I live where you vacation." At first I thought that was kind of snobby, but then I realized it's all about perspective. South Florida is a vacation destination, and maybe I wasn't appreciating it. So I decided I would take 3 days to explore the area around Tampa Bay and see just how much fun I can find. I invite you to come along with me.
So, all right, guys, for this first day, I thought we would maybe go hit some mountain bike trails. Believe it or not, there are mountain bike trails in Florida, but man, it is brutally hot outside. It's like 109-degree heat index or something. I'm just not feeling it. So you know what? Perfect day to hit the beach. Let's go.
I swear I saw you flicker, flicker. I swear I saw you flicker. Your body, wanna touch your body. And I swear I won't expect too much. Won't go and drag us through the mud. But I think this fight might not be done. I swear I saw it flicker, flicker. I swear I saw it. I swear I saw it flicker.
So the beach can be kind of crowded on the weekends, but you can always come out here on the weekdays. And there's actually a bunch of beaches that are less popular. Some of them you can only get to by boat. Maybe I'll do another video focusing on those.
But for now, let's head over to the Sunshine Skyway and check out the kiteboarding.
Man, I had a great time today. Hope that you guys enjoyed it too. It definitely helps to take your mind off of that daily grind. If you like this video, make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, come back for the next one. For now, got some dry clothes on. Think I'm gonna head down to Caddy's, a little beachfront bar, have a drink, sit down, relax, watch the sunset, start planning the next adventure. See you guys soon.
Just a different way to move within the highlife. So many different things to do within the highlife. Let's go food and drinks, but what makes you think that this life's made for a king? So many different things to do within the highlife. And now
know it's girls, girls, girls I adore. The coupe only sit two, but in the back I got four. Talking about this high life, I mean as high as it go. That's kites, planes, clouds, the bank accounts that I own. Funny thing, it all started from a pen and a poem. Whoever thought that this could pay off for it?